Yeah,
Okay,
so
so
your
this
ratchet
is the shift drum. And you can see, let me zoom in on these things.
not the actual drum, but this mounts to the drum itself. So I mean, but you can see the wear on the corners here. These are supposed to be nice sharp corners, and you can see they're all rounded off there, right? So
Yeah, hold this, turn it and show me that one spot. Yeah,
right there.
just look at that zoom. Yeah, there you go. So this is why I was having issues with the shifting pretty much all gears except for 6th to 7th, right?
That's right. Yeah, you bet. And then here's the corresponding piece which rides on the actual on the locating drum. You can see it's pretty rounded off here.
Zoom in on that. Oh yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Man, all this time, I've been having this for a while, and I just try to keep it going. And those are the only 2 parts?
That's it. Gasket and oil. That's it. So.
All right.
I mean, when it comes to the shifting, there's not a whole lot, that's involved. There's only, these 2 pieces plus your drum and then your 2 shift forks, right? And that's it for the whole shifting, other than the transmission itself.
But we don't know what the shift forks look like, though.
No, because you have to tear the whole motor down, split the cases,
Okay,
everything.
yeah. Because that's what some people mentioned. But so if I have issues, then I'd come back at it and we'd check the shift forks then next, right?
Yeah, and you'd be tearing down the whole motor, right?
Yeah.
But I mean, when I had this apart, I can actually shift it manually with my hand, eliminating this stuff here, and it shifted good.
Oh, with the shift fork. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, you can
I can do
manually.
it by hand and eliminate all this stuff, right? Your shifter, your shift shaft, this locating drum, I can eliminate that and do it by hand, and it shifted well on the bench, right?
All right, guys, I'm off back to go dirt biking today. Thanks a lot. It was Levi.
Levi.
Levi. All right. We're at ValleyMotoSport, Kelowna, BC. Cheers.